So in this video, we're going to replace the battery on a Ford F-150 key fob. So these remotes allow you to unlock the car, lock it, sometimes put on an alarm, and have it disassembled here. You can see there's an unlock key, the lock key, and the battery here that it takes is a CR2032. And this is for models 1998 to 2011 for the Ford F-150. And you can see this battery, the words here, when you replace it, make sure the word side goes down and that the non-word side is facing up. And then when you take this battery apart, it's really just separating these two sides. So I'm putting it back together here. And to separate the battery, if you just grab like a small flathead screwdriver, you can get into the grooves on the side here and just slowly kind of work apart the two sections of this. It'll kind of fold apart just like kind of a clamshell. Get up here at the top and just slowly work it apart, and it'll come apart fairly easily. You will need to maybe give it a bit of a pull once you've kind of started to separate a little bit here. So just go ahead and kind of pull it apart like so. And there you can see it come apart there with the CR2032 battery right there. You can also use some nail clippers if you need to pull this out. It didn't work great there, but with the battery, just give a flathead screwdriver, pop that thing out, and again you need the CR2032. And that's how you replace the battery on Ford F-150. Kind of the early 2000s models had this key fob.